How does my day start? Early. Before I can even think about work, I have to make sure the family is up and on the way to where they're supposed to be. All right, hon, I got to get going. I'm here, but you have a good day. Love you.
Love you too.
Our drivers have family and loved ones who expect them to come back through the door at the end of the day. It's my responsibility to make sure that happens. I believe in Freightliner Custom Chassis for my walk-in vans because they take that responsibility as seriously as I do.
By the time I get to work, my van is loaded and ready to go. Thanks, Tony. Yeah, it's a long day, but once I get started, I love my job.
It seems like all of my drivers using FCCC vans agree. They feel less stressed, more comfortable, and just happier. And in the delivery business or any business, that matters. Our drivers are the face of our business, the only face our customers see. When our drivers arrive at the door relaxed and smiling, they become a welcome part of their day. Customers look forward to talking with their driver. That builds real relationships. And real relationships make our business more than just a commodity to our customers. It's a personal choice to do business with us.
Once I'm on the road, there's a lot going on. I need to keep my eyes on the road and other drivers, and just make sure I'm being efficient with my route.
Yeah, there's a lot competing for the driver's attention. That's why our vans have OptiView and DriveTech, Freightliner's display and control system that makes it easy for drivers to see the dash and operate the vehicle without getting distracted.
I think I would rather drive through heavy snow than heavy traffic. There's so much to watch for, and I can't count on other drivers to be watching as closely as I am. My van is loaded with tech that constantly lets me know what's happening around me, with minimal distractions. There's even a collision mitigation system that automatically adjusts my speed to avoid accidents. And when rainy or snowy weather conditions come up, traction and stability controls give me confidence to keep everything under control. When I arrive at a delivery address, many times I might have to navigate some pretty tight spaces. So I have overhead object detection and a 360 camera that protects my van from hitting tree branches, overhead wires, loading docks, and doors. And with my blind spot cameras tied to my turn signal, I can see everything when I try to change lanes. It's all right in front of me, hands on, heads up, safety first, all at my fingertips.
Last mile delivery is really tough, and not every truck is designed for driver safety. Many still have the driver jumping out into traffic because it's the only way to exit the vehicle. FCCC takes care of that with curbside entry and a low entry step. So with our drivers going up and down those steps hundreds of times a day, it really saves a lot of wear and tear on their knees. Let me show you one more thing. Take a look at these service bays. Do you see any FCCC vans? No, you don't, because they're built to stay on the road and out of the shop for up to 20 years. That means less downtime and a higher return on investment.
My van makes my daily job easier and safer. It means a lot to me that my fleet manager cares enough about that to choose an FCCC walk-in van. Hey babe, yeah, I got off early. I can see you at practice. You starting? I can't wait to see it. You too.